How to do a Kitchener stitch without tapestry needle. As you can see, I'm knitting a sock over here and I'm doing afterthought heel, which I want to finish in the way you would finish Kitchener stitch. But let's say I don't have a tapestry needle. That's what happened, and that's why I come up with this. So here it is, I'm knitting magic loop, that's why I'm holding the needles this way. But basically, even if you work on DPNs, so double pointed needles, you will switch to just 2 needles and try to equally spread stitches on both. As you can see, I need to definitely cut the yarn. So let's leave a bit, and no tools today. Normally what you try to get the length 3 times of the Kitchener thing, but you know, slightly better. I think it's better. Basically, we're going to take the first stitch on the first needle and we're going to purl and take the needle off, and the second knit, pull the yarn through and knit the stitch on. Now I'm going to move the needle here and remove this one, and I'm going to knit and remove the stitch off the needle, and then I'm going to purl and leave the stitch on the needle. And basically I'm going to repeat all that until I reach the end. Now I'm in the last 2 stitches, and normally you could go the same way, but I like to count them as a 1 stitch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do purl, and the last knit together, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye!